In the previous video lesson of integration, we learned to find the integration, indefinite integration, by the method of inspection, and now here I'm going to show you the second method using formula. We learned a lot of formula before learning method of inspection. If you forget, then please check out those videos. I had told you to write down also. I hope you had done it and you had remember all those formula. So now let's do one by one. I'm first going to solve this one. Alright, I'm going to find out the integration of a function called x cubed minus 1 divided by x squared times dx. As I told you in the previous video also, the 2 videos back, that the algebraic rules follow the same. You can break one function into the as many as terms as you can possibly, mathematically how much terms you can break that, and then you find out the integration of each and every process. So what I mean to say that I am going to break x cubed minus 1 over x square into x cubed divided by x square and then minus 1 over x square, alright, dx. And in the next step I will again separate this by dx. I will multiply this one and this one. I will separate the two individual terms. So integration of simply here it's x square and x cubed, so this will cancel with this one and I will be left with only x and then dx, and here it will be 1 over x square dx. Okay, and now just we need to find out the differentiation, and now we need to just find out the integration of this part and this part. Alright, and to find out integration, I want to tell you one thing. The formula that I'm going to use here, that integration of x to the power n with respect to dx is x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus some constant. This formula we have already learned, and how this came I have already discussed in the previous videos, so I don't want to repeat and I don't want to take you more time. I'm directly using that formula. Okay, so integration of x, if there is nothing, then you should know that there is power 1. Alright, so it's simply going to be now x to the power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, and we should never forget to put a constant. Alright, constant c, but here we're going to deal another one, so there will also come a constant, so I'm writing this as a constant 1. Alright, and minus, now see here, integration of x to the power minus 2, alright, times dx. Further it's simply x square over 2 plus constant 1 minus, now again I'm going to use the same power rule. Alright, it's going to be x to the power minus 2 plus 1 again divided by minus 2 plus 1 and again constant 2. Okay, these all are inside the bracket, keep in mind, because we're just integrating this part. Okay, and now it's x square over 2 plus c1, it's a constant 1, and when minus will multiply, it will be x to the power minus 1 and minus 2 plus 1, that's again minus 1, and this minus will multiply this and you'll get again minus c2. Okay, so let's write the variables together. X square over 2, and see it's minus and minus, it's going to be plus, so I'm directly writing plus, and it's x to the power minus 1, so I'm writing 1 over x. Okay, and plus c1 minus c2. And my dear friend, this c1 minus c2, what is that? That's simply a constant, right? Some arbitrary constant. This is also and this is also, so means overall this is some constant. All right, so it's x square over 2 plus 1 over x and plus big she. Okay, so that's it. This is the way to find out the integration. All right, and I'm telling you, if you're going to differentiate these things, if you differentiate these things 100%, I'm telling you, you'll get the function whose integration we have find out. That's little even more up. Here it is. Okay, this function you're gonna get. Do you want to try? Let me show you. Okay, so differentiation of x square over 2 plus 1 by x plus a big constant with respect to x. I'm separating individually. It's derivative of x square, 1 by 2 is coming outside with respect to x. Similarly, derivative of 1 over x with respect to x, and again derivative of some constant with respect to x. Okay, so further it's 1 by 2, and just power rule I'm using, 2 times x to the power 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, and again plus derivative of 1 to the power 1 by x. It's simply derivative of x to the power minus 1 divided by x, and derivative of constant, that's 0. And further you go, this 2 and this 2 will cancel up, and you'll get simply here x plus, see, this is x to the power minus 1, so it will be minus 1 times x to the power minus 1 and power minus 1. I'm just using the power rule here, alright? So it's x, and plus minus, it's minus 1 over x square. So it's going to be now x square as the LCM, and x square will multiply this, so you'll get x cube minus 1. Now tell me, what is this? X cube minus 1 over x square. That's the thing in the question given. See here, x cube minus 1 over x square. Alright, so always use the formula perfectly, correctly, and if there is any more confusion or doubt, then please feel free to comment just below this video, and I'm going to do this question and this question in the next following videos. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.